Hello language learners, welcome back to my language learning channel. Today we are diving into an essential topic, the simple future tense. Whether you are aiming to have casual conversations or write compelling stories, understanding how to use this tense is crucial. So let's get started. Understanding the simple future tense. Before we jump into question and negative forms, let's find out what simple future tense is. This tense is used to talk about actions that will happen in the future. It's formed by using the helping verb will or shall, followed by the base form of the main verb. Let's go the examples. I will travel to Paris next month. We will have a party on Saturday. The sun will rise in the east. He will start his new job next month. We will watch a movie tonight. They will complete the project by Friday. She will travel to Europe next summer. Okay friends, let's look at some simple future tense conversations. Conversation about weekend plans. What are you doing this weekend? I'm going to visit my grandparents. How about you? I'll be attending a friend's birthday party on Saturday. Chatting about upcoming exams. How are you preparing for the final exams? I am going to study in the library all day tomorrow. Good idea. I'll be reviewing my notes at home. Talking about a future event. Have you heard about the science fair next month? Yes, I have. I'm going to present my project there. Awesome. I'm sure you'll do a fantastic job. Now, let's learn how to ask questions using the simple future tense. To form a question, we invert the subject and the helping verb, will or shall. For example, we can take, she will complete her project. If we turn this into a question, we can say, will she complete her project? Then another example, they will have a party next weekend. Question form, will they have a party next weekend? He will start his new job on Monday. Question form, will he start his new job on Monday? In each case, the statement describes a future event or action and the corresponding question asks about the likelihood or certainty of that event or action happening in the future. Using negative in the simple future tense. Negative sentences in the simple future tense is quite straightforward. You just need to add not after the helping verb will or shall. For example, we can take they will attend the conference. If we turn this into a negative, we can say they will not attend the conference or they won't attend the conference. He will buy a new car next month. Negative form, he will not buy a new car next month or he won't buy a new car next month. Shall is a modal verb in English that often indicates a future action or obligation. It is used to express a sense of necessity, duty or intention. Unlike other modal verbs like will or should, shall is less commonly used in modern English and often sounds formal. Its usage can vary based on context and region. You can say, I shall equal I will, and we shall equal we will. I shall be late tomorrow, or I will be late tomorrow. I think we shall win, or I think we will win. But do not use shall with you, they, he, she, and it. He will be late, not he shall be late, okay? Now it's time to practice what we have learned. I'll give you some sentences and you can try forming questions and negatives using the simple future tense. Okay, let's start. She will bake a cake for the party tomorrow. They will finish their project by the end of the month. We will go camping this weekend. You can pause the video and process these sentences. Okay guys, I hope you have got the answers. Now let's see how was the answers. Great job everyone. You're making fantastic progress in mastering the simple future tense. Keep using it in your conversation and writing. Happy learning and see you next time. Bye bye.